In this video, I'm going to show you how to make clickable text in Webflow. So it is pretty simple. All you need to do is add in an element, and the element that you will be adding is a text link. Now drag the text link inside the container, and let's make the text link a little bit bigger. Let's place it to about a 30, and also for 30 height. Now we have our text link right here. Let's rename this to clickable text as an example, and make sure that the text link has a link connected to it. So for example, let's add the URL, which would be google.com. And if you click on that text on preview, you will see that it takes us to google.com. And that's about it. That's how to make clickable text in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out.